Good day, my name is Anton du Plessis and I will be telling you about the research I do at Stellenbosch University in my research group 3D Innovation.
Much of the research presented here is supported by CPAM, the Collaborative Program in Additive Manufacturing. We thank them for their support.
The research group 3D Innovation does our research in three areas: additive manufacturing, X-ray tomography and biomimicry. This is a schematic and a photograph of an actual CT setup. The yellow on the left is an X-ray tube which shines an X-ray beam through an object, producing a 2D X-ray image. This X-ray image is then recorded as the sample rotates to get views from all angles around the object, which is then used to create a 3D representation of the object. This is what X-ray tomography is. This next video shows the CT data of one of these cast metal parts and how a porosity analysis and also a wall thickness analysis is conducted.
It is clear that X-ray tomography plays a critical and useful role in routine inspection, non-destructive testing, process improvement, and failure analysis in the manufacturing industry. There are also many other applications in R&D which we enjoy pushing the boundaries of and finding new applications.
Additive manufacturing has evolved and is not anymore only for prototyping. It is now being used for serial production of parts and high criticality applications. It allows highly complex and unique design possibilities which are not possible by other means.
Our research in this area is mostly in structural integrity and in biomimetic design. These two areas are focus areas for us, which I will show a few examples of in the next slides.
What is seen here is a 10mm cube which is meant as a coupon sample, as an indication of the quality of a particular additive manufacturing process. This particular example is from a round robin study which was completed with many international partners, where different additive manufacturing systems were used and typical flaw types were identified. The idea is that these coupons can be used to improve processes. This example shows the result of a CT scan of the bracket seen on the left, showing a distribution of many pores called lack of fusion pores across this part.
This review paper we published last year demonstrates all the different applications of X-ray tomography in additive manufacturing, in addition to these examples just shown above.
This is a paper published recently on a round robin test with these parts you have just seen with an international group of 10 different X-ray tomography labs.
This review paper is a highlight of the year for us. It is a comprehensive review of all the different forms of biomimetic design in additive manufacturing, which allows different ways to exploit the complexity available in additive manufacturing. The title is Beautiful and Functional. And finally, this is a gyroid lattice sample, which you will get an inside view of.
Finally, I would like to thank all my collaborators for all the excellent support and work over the last couple of years. We definitely will be continuing this work onwards and upwards. Anybody wanting to support us are more than welcome to have a chat.